Let's put down a billowy smoke from the shell. As you can see, the smoke is rising because of the temperature and bias. You can control the rising of the smoke using bias, but we can also directly control the velocity field using the gas field triangle node. Put down a gas field triangle node and connect it to the force input of the pyro solver. If V at well dot y is greater than 0, V at well dot y into equals. Let's create a channel for float. And if you type 1, there is not going to be any change because the velocity field is not affected. If you use a value like 0.5, you can see the smoke doesn't rise at all. This is because every frame, the positive y velocity of the smoke is multiplied with 0.5 value. And if you use a value like 0.96, the smoke rises much more. And if you use a value like 0.86, it doesn't rise much as 0.96. So that's it, and you can use this method to like control and also stop the smoke from rising.